Hi, everyone. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a great summer so far and hope you had a great 4th of July. I wanted to share this video with you based on some conversations I had this week with colleagues and clients regarding workers' compensation and employers' liability insurance and the potential for out of state employees to not be covered on your policy if not set up properly. So I want to bring this up because with the increase in remote work and especially hiring outside of the state of domicile, where the state where you live and your company is based, workers' compensation and employers' liability is very specific regarding the state that it will cover. So I want to share here with you. This is a sample of a workers' compensation and employers' liability deck page. Now, I highlighted the two sections that are important. So if you look at section 3A, this is the work comp insurance section, part one. At the inception of the policy, meaning when the policy is written, all states that are included in the coverage will be listed here. And then during the policy term, if an employee is hired in a different state, so let's say, for example, the policy is written in California, under 3A, we have California listed, and then you hire somebody, let's say, that lives and works in Texas, we would have to add Texas to 3C to make sure the employee in Texas is covered. So take a look at your policy, your deck page, and make sure all the states are listed either under 3A or 3C. Now, another thing to keep in mind is it's not guaranteed that your provider is going to allow us to add employees in certain states. So there could be the potential that we'll need to add a second policy. You know, many carriers are filed and write based on the laws of the state that they're filed in. And they just don't write in certain states. They're not filed to write in certain states. They're not licensed to write in certain states. Or they just don't have the appetite to work in certain states. So it's important that you let us know. Keep in mind the 4 states that are monopolistic, meaning they do not allow private insurers to write business in their state, include North Dakota, Ohio, Washington State, and Wyoming. So if you have employees in any of those 4 states, you're going to have to go directly to the state, and I can help you, direct you with that, to buy a work comp policy. If you do that, North Dakota, Wyoming, and Washington allow us or do not provide employer's liability. They only imply work comp benefits. So we can add an employer's liability endorsement for those states onto your current work comp policy. But again, we need to know where your employees are working and where they're hired out of. So keep this in mind for now and any future. If you start to expand outside of your state, let us know right away. We need to know so that we can properly endorse your policy. Take a look at your current policy. If you have any questions for us, you can call me directly, 858-384-1507, or call your broker or broker team. You should have their contact info, or you can call our live reception desk, 858-384-1506. Thanks for watching. I hope you're doing well and hope to see you soon.